Hi, welcome to the how-to video series of Projectrak for Jira, a place to upskill your Jira project tracking abilities. In this video, we will show you a couple of ways to use Projectrak information in Jira's Issues Navigator. Mainly, we have two ways to achieve that. To illustrate it, let's type into the advanced search bar of the Jira's Issues Navigator, Project, followed by the selection of operator in. In the suggestions of our search will stand out two options: to perform searches based on a project filter ID, and to search for Projectrak's project information based on PQL, an acronym for Project Query Language. Let's see how to perform a search based on a filter ID. Let's select the option Project Fields Filter from this same drop-down menu of search suggestions. Once there, we need to know the ID number of the Projectrak project search we need to perform. To find that ID, we need to go to the Projectrak Project Navigator at any of its views, and from the top right, in the My Filters drop-down menu, displaying the list of filters we have previously saved. Let's select one, and then, from the URL of this filter, we see a number. That's the ID. Copy it. Let's go back to the Issues Navigator in Jira and paste the ID number in the slot of the advanced search. And voila! There we have the issues contained in those project filters. Another way to use Projectrak information from Jira's Issues Navigator is by selecting the PQL option. It's an advanced way to search for project issues, given it's necessary to understand the query grammar, which is similar to JQL. You can learn more from it by clicking the link in our video description. Let's keep going. Select the PQL option from the drop-down menu of suggestions and write the query. If the PQL grammar is too complex, go to any of the Projectrak's Project Navigator views. Make a basic mode search, and then click over the View Issues option. And voila! There we have the exact search, but at the issue level. For further ways using project information from Projectrak within Jira, we recommend watching other videos. Thank you very much for watching. Be sure to check our YouTube channel for more videos like this. Hit the subscribe button and follow us on our social media channels.